How to upload YouTube shorts longer than 1 minute. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can upload shorts that are longer than 1 minute. So you might have seen that we can only post videos that are less than 1 minute on YouTube Shorts. So firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device and look for YouTube app. Make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. After making sure that it is updated, open YouTube app on your device. In YouTube, make sure you are logged in to your account. Now on the home page at the bottom, you will see different icons and options. Tap on the plus icon to go to your recording page. Now on your recording page, you will see an interface like this. At the top right corner, as you can see, I am in 15 seconds. To change timer, keep tapping on this icon. Right now, as you can see on my device, only 15 seconds and 60 seconds are available. However, in your app, the 3-minute option might be available. The 3-minute option will look something like this. To get this 3-minute feature, make sure you keep checking for updates. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.